shadows, afraid to speak, afraid to try. The world felt like a storm I couldn't weather, so I let the moments pass me by. But deep inside, a fire was waiting, a whisper rising in the night, saying you were born for more than silence. You've got the heart to win the fight. I am brave, I can fly, even when the tears still fall from my eyes. I will rise, I will fly, I will rise, I will shine. No more chains, this soul is mine. I'll face the thunder, walk through the flame with every sky. I'm not afraid, I'm finally brave. I used to drown in all my doubting, each step a mountain in my way. But now I see the light surrounding. The fear is fading with each day, 'cause everyone became a story. Every fall built up my grace. I've learned to turn the pain to glory. There's no dream I cannot chase. I am brave, I can fly even when the night won't show the sky. I will rise, I will shine. No more chains, this soul is mine. I'll face the thunder, walk through the flame with every scar of my name. I'm not afraid, I'm finally brave. No more whispering doubt in the dark. I found my voice, I found my spark. From the ashes I will start a brand new fire in my heart. I am brave, watch me soar. I'm not the same girl I was before. I will rise, I will shine. This is my moment.